Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Career Prep. In this video, we'll learn about the topic mirror image. Mirror image is one of the most important topics for government sector entrance exams, placement exams and other competitive exams. Questions on this topic are asked under the visual reasoning section. This section measures the ability to understand and analyze information presented visually and then solve problems logically. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notifications as soon as we post a new video. So let's start. Let's understand the concept of mirror image. So what is a mirror image? The image of an object as seen in a mirror is its mirror reflection or mirror image. Now there are two positions of a mirror to get the image from it. These two positions are: the first position is when the mirror is placed vertically. The second position is when the mirror is placed horizontally. Note that in mirror image questions, if position of the mirror is not given, then always consider the mirror to be placed vertically on the right side. Let's now understand what type of mirror image is formed when the mirror is placed vertically. Now, when a mirror is placed vertically to the left or right of the object, then the standard form of mirror image is formed. Here, the left-hand side and the right-hand side of an object interchange their places while the top and the bottom remain at their position. Vertical mirror image is obtained by the lateral inversion of the object. Now let's try to understand the formation of image by a vertical mirror with the help of this figure. Now this is the object, this is the mirror which is placed vertically, and this is the mirror image of the object. Clearly here you can see that the top and the bottom of the object remains in the same place in the mirror image, whereas the left hand side and the right hand side of the object have interchanged their positions in the mirror image. Also observe that the arrowhead here, in the object, the top and the bottom of the arrowhead remains in the same place in the mirror image. Hope you have understood the formation of image when the mirror is placed vertically. Let's now see what type of image is obtained when a mirror is placed horizontally. Now, when a mirror is placed horizontally at the top or bottom of the object, then the image so obtained is like the water image. Here, the top and bottom of an object interchange their position in the mirror image. A horizontal mirror image is obtained by the vertical inversion of the object. Now let's try to understand the formation of the image by a horizontal mirror with the help of this figure. So here this is the object, this is the mirror which is placed horizontally, and this is the mirror image of the object. So clearly here you can see that the top and the bottom parts of the object have interchanged their positions and have become the bottom and top parts of the mirror image respectively. That is, the top part of the object becomes the bottom part of the mirror image. The bottom part of the object appears as the top part of the mirror image. Also, you can see that the left hand side and the right hand side of the object remains unchanged in the mirror image. Hope you have understood the type of image that is obtained when a mirror is placed horizontally. Let's now look at mirror images of letters and numbers. Knowing and understanding the mirror images of letters and numbers will make it easier to solve problems on mirror images in the non-verbal reasoning section. So, look and understand clearly how the mirror images of the letters and numbers are formed when the mirror is placed vertically. So here these are the numbers and these are the mirror images of the numbers when formed when a mirror is placed vertically. These are the capital letters and these are the mirror image of these capital letters formed when the mirror is placed vertically. These are the small alphabets and these are the mirror image of the small alphabets formed when the mirror is placed vertically. Observe and understand how exactly these mirror images are formed. Now, some letters and numbers do not change upon reflection. The capital letters that have the same mirror image as that of the original are A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X and Y. The small letters that have the same mirror image as that of their original are I, L, O, V, W and X. The numbers 0 and 8 are the only two numbers that have the same mirror image as that of their original. Let's now look at the types of mirror image questions asked in competitive exams. So mirror image questions asked in competitive exams are of the following types. Type 1 is mirror image of letters. Type 2 is mirror image of numbers. Type 3 is mirror image of a combination of letters and numbers. Type 4 is mirror image of clocks. And type 5 is mirror image of figure, symbol or sign. Now, before attempting questions on mirror image, you have to remember a few points. So first, always check the position of the mirror before attempting questions on mirror image. In case the position of the mirror is not mentioned, then assume that it is on the right side of the object by default. Whenever you have to solve a mirror image question, remember that the portion of the object or alphabet or number that is near the mirror will now be the portion of the image near to the mirror in the inverted form. Let's now understand a little about clock-based mirror images. In clock-based mirror image questions, depending on the positions of the hour hand and the minute hand of the given clock, the correct mirror image has to be found out. These questions can be answered easily if you remember that the left and right portions of the object get interchanged in the mirror image when the mirror is placed vertically. A shortcut method is to remember that the sum of the actual time and the image time is always 12 hours. Now let's understand this with the help of this example. So this is the clock which shows the time 6:30. This is the mirror which is placed vertically. And this is the mirror image of this clock. Now clearly here you can see that the hour hand, which is in between 6 and 7 on the left hand side of the clock, will appear between 5 and 6 on the right hand side in the mirror image. Now the minute hand is exactly on the vertical line pointing at 6. Now the position of this mirror hand remains the same in the mirror image also. So 6:30, if the actual time is 6:30, then the mirror image time would be 5:30. Now 6:30 plus 5:30 is 12 hours. Hope you have understood the concept of clock-based mirror images. Viewers, please go through this video till you have understood the concept. A thorough knowledge of the concept will help you in answering questions correctly on this topic. Also, please do watch a video on mirror image solved problems. If you have liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.